We just stopped at the Quick Trip on Clairmont at the corner of Clairmont and Briarcliff, and I got an egg, cheese, and sausage croissant. This is my second one from Quick Trip, and it so far is as good as the first. And we are headed south on Clairmont Road. It is now 61 degrees. So far we've been lucky not hitting into the sun. That just changed. Coming up on La Vista Road. Years ago, I think maybe 1965, I think. Hard to remember for sure, but I think one of our students was killed in this curve coming from the other way. DHS student. Someone will have to confirm that. Right here in this curve coming from Decatur out the other way. Seems like I remember that. Oh, nice little Bronco. Okay, still headed in on Clairmont Road. Up here is North Druid Hills. There used to be some Civil War history markers up here on this corner. I think when they remodeled this station on the other corner, they disappeared. We will at least go down to the Decatur Tennis Center, where I don't see any sign at all of these history markers that were there. Where the old City of Decatur Waterworks was. I've got a picture I can post, that I have posted several times actually, of what it looked like in the 30s when the dam was still, when it was still functioning. I think somewhere around the late 30s, DeKalb County opened their water plant up off of Peachtree Industrial, and they probably closed this plant then. DeKalb Senior Center is up here, over here, down here, around here, somewhere. Masonville Park. Nice walking trails here. I was walking these woods and playing in these woods long before they did anything. Used to be a great place to come party and drink on the weekends. All right, watch that little kid. Man. don't guess we'll go down there. This place is too crowded. Need to get here early to go down there. Used to be have butterfly vines here. Used to get some good photography of butterflies. And pileated woodpeckers. Hawks. Got some pictures long ago of a hawk nest over on one of the trails. One of the trails connects over to Medlock Ballpark. Now, what is that all about? You've got a sidewalk and you're walking in the road. Just sometimes you have to wonder how people live to maturity. Homeless fellow got all of his stuff there in that basket. Okay, coming down the hill past the VA, we're going to turn into those apartments on the other side of the creek, and then come back across the creek on the bridge that used to be Clairmont Road when Clairmont Road was just 2-lane, but we're going to have to let people by us or either turn around and come back. No, we can get over. Okay. Here we go. The reason I came this way is so the sun would not be in our eyes. I don't remember what year Clairmont was 4-lane, but this is the bridge that was 2-lane before it was 4-lane, and I don't think this bridge has a date on it. I think I've looked for a date when it was built to start with, but we will see. And this is I think this is a South Fork of Peachtree Creek. Burnt Fork Creek comes in to South Peachtree Creek to the right up there at the old waterworks. And these trails, I'm not sure how far that trail goes now. I can't see a date on that. I cannot see a date on it. Well, we got to go by that, and we've got to listen carefully. There's a guy headed out on Clairmont Road screaming all sorts of profanities, F you, screaming and hollering, so you will have some entertainment. We'll roll down the window. I'm wondering if this is the guy that lives up there with all those crazy signs. Okay, there he is over there. He's just come across the bridge. He's sitting or turned towards the street now. Let's see what if he's going to carry on now. He was screaming all sort of stuff. No, not screaming now. He's got a mask, for what good it's doing. I guess he's crazy as a loon, I don't know. I wish I could have heard all of his profanity. Okay, we'll turn it off until we decide where we're headed.